welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now, today I'm going to show you some pictures of one of the 87 them who lose them life in Augustown. This young man name his nickname was Tilo. From what I'm seeing, his real name was Hakeem McLean. Now, I was sent some pictures when the whole thing that go down, and I didn't even pay them much mind at first. Matter of fact, when we get the picture of them, I literally said to the person, no way. A joke thing at the pan. In a serious times like this, how can you be sending me these pictures because you're trolling? Right, some kind of Photoshop going, right, and you're trying to get a few laughs. That's what I'm thinking. Can't be real. Until I was given the link to his social media page. I'm gonna check it out for myself. So before we go any further, I just want to make this 100% clear to the KAJ, the Kerosene Association of Jamaica, the CSS, the Criminal Sympathizing Simpletons, and the 87 Trade Union. I know no love get emotional over on the fallen brethren. But I just want to ask a couple questions. Is it me always like to know where the culture is heading? Right, what are the latest trends? Because sometimes me get caught off guard and we will just see young men looking a certain way, and then I say, oh, the Gully Queen. And somebody say, no man, at the latest trend that I saw the youths them I do it now, or this are the in style now, or this around the place, and if you not do it then you're lame. Which is fine by me because I'm happy to be lame. If some of them style let me say I come on road now, it's alright, me be lame. Next thing I want to put out there, next disclaimer. I understand that we're living in the age of the woke activists. You know the woke activists I will say, you know, there's no such thing as feminine and masculine, there's no such thing as a man and woman, everything that's fluid. So it's okay, you can spare me your email with 15 paragraphs telling me my views are outdated and old fashioned and my dinosaur and I need to welcome the 2021. People like you are it's alright, I've heard it all before. Don't need to hear it again. But I just want to talk to the people then, because enough time me telling you say Jamaican 87s are some of the DNTS youths when you ever see. I one thing for hear me say it, but then for see it. See, when you think of a youth who's in the streets and a reputation and people afraid of him and all these things, right? The image you get in your head is what you see on your screen now. That right there is Hakeem McLean, Tilo. The way he set him on is like he's holding a rifle, you know, typical pose. So you might be thinking to yourself, what kind of feminine thing me I talk about? What kind of dainty thing me I talk about? If you look for a picture of Shatter, right, holding his imaginary rifle and I come and talk about feminine thing, I want to is anyway catch you, I go give you 10 rounds. Yes, I know, I've heard it all before. What another picture I want to ask you about? I want to ask you about this one. Maybe the KAJ can explain it to me. Maybe the CSS. But I just want to know if this is the new trend. That's all I want to know. Because I'm telling you, say, many of your favorite 87s them, even though they might have reputation, and people afraid of them and them lock off ends and them run place and them have rifle and them make comfy and give 150 rounds. If you never know the half. Truth is, enough of these youths are very, very effeminate. You see, the image enough people have of a 87 is for example, the old time movie, the Third World Cup. The man in that, that's the image enough people have. of a 87. Truth is, the modern day 87, no for them you can't tell the difference between them and a Gully Queen. You can't. See now me know enough people are gonna say, but I probably look a joke sharpie, especially woman. See that's why no found a man out there. Only need to go for no son them. Only need to go for no son them and bring them amongst, you know. Like enough thing woman consider a joke. Right, and say boy opinion there's certain things they talk about. I just joke him a make, man. I just joke him a make. Only if you go for no son them. These boys need fathers in them life. What is going on here? As the classic song say, me can't believe me eye. But you probably say, me go put on flowers pan head and lipstick pan mouth and me I try, you know, make up things to get views as usual. Go check it out for yourself. Matter of fact, let me show you in page. Feel free to go check it out and click on the one that say highlights to the left and skip to the seat. But me say, me no know what is hot and what is trendy. Maybe this is a case where me just so outdated and old fashioned that me no know what's cool. So man have one them kind of filter, right, is not even something to make people bat an eyelid. Me no know. That could be the case. But you see, this was inevitable. When you hear me say infiltration go on and people are push them agenda, and what's going to happen is that the youth are going to see that no one get normalized and then start trickle along, and then the boundaries get push until now you don't even know what's going on. It was inevitable. I mean, look at this next picture. Go check it out for yourself. I'm just showing the page. And me say, I just want to know if yes, the culture there. If this is now what's not, if this is now what's cool and trendy, because remember, for years the narrative was that bad man no link with this and bad man no do this and bad man no dress like girl. Remember them song there? We no wear drop girl, or something along those lines. Right? Remember that song they do? So if quote unquote bad man used to say, then and now the same modern bad man name look like this. But just ask some questions. Cause now one of the man them can leave something for the woman them and for themselves. When you take with them cream, when you take with them clothes them, and now all them filter them gone. Because I remember a time when they used to say bad man, Dan, I pull up in a party with them shirt front tie up in a knot. And then man I say, oh, you look like sell some Sprats reach, and man I say, no, are them on the run off. Roses are them on the run off down the sun. If you mean bad man, this are the new style, tie up shirt front. Right. Navel a show. Hairstyle look like him spend about 19 hours in the salon. Right. So we've seen things like this before. Right. And as I say, people that say, right, I just trend. Right. This is not nothing to do no Sprat thing. I just trend that people that say. So now I say, is this the new one? I'm just a nerd on the outside looking, and I wonder if I this the killy them I do, if I this the quenga them I do, if I this the shatter them I do. Is this the latest thing? Right. As remember, I'm a nerd who make up things to get views and bad mind scammers. So through me no cool and trendy, I don't know what is hot. I just want to know if I just said the thing there. Because over the years I've been seeing some style I pass through Jamaica. Enough of them pushed by the entertainment industry, by the way. And every time I say, yo, how that looks, so people say, a trend, a style. You know, nothing to do with this and nothing to do with that. You just don't know what I go on. But this kind of extreme. Because why me ask is because if a youth like this is willing to post something like that on him page, then that must mean say it's cool. It's normal, so that's why me ask. Man them need the only man them when you stay on the son them life. When you need to stay on the son them life. Because you know what? Do what no one do. Forget me saying nothing. Do what no one do. If man can post all the lipstick and whatever he want do. I'm sure him especially the KAJ and woman in general they go say, leave him alone and nothing wrong and just a little joke. So do what no one. I was going to take this video down on part, right, more and focus on the fact that the man them need to see them son them life because we don't left them youth around too much woman and them certain little joke woman run, man not for run. Right. But then we say, you know what, the woke activists them, right, understand we live in modern era. People like me are dinosaurs. Right. My time up. The new youths them are run the thing now. Right, so you know what? May the dinosaur exit stage left. Right. Me just so when you can go on over that side, right? When you go on that way, me go over the way. I'm not going along the road there. Right. But good luck on the journey still. Right. Wishing you the best. Even when I say, but you want if I train, you know what? I change my mind, I don't even want to know again. When just go that way there, right? When you walk down the road there, and me walk along the road there. In the day, every man free to do what they want to do. And every man of them own big man. But just what people realize, you know, for the time when they see certain 87s in the streets, understand with them screw face. Just know, so one of the reasons why them are screwed because them have pent up frustration. Because inside, them can't get to be who them want to be. Them can't get to put on them lipstick. Them can't get to put on them blouse. Them have to just keep the thoughts in them head and every now and then, when the body not look, they might do a look dressed up. But at the end of the day, it's a myth. The idea say, you should come from quote unquote bad man place, can't do this and can't do that, and only if a boy ever do this then you must go run me. No. False. That only apply to non-87s. That only apply to the regular youth them on the ends, who know on the links. The man who a boss gun or have money can literally walk up and down in a one body rider and nobody does say nothing. Don't take my word for it, ask the people on mobile, right, about the scammer with the name Baby. Ask them about him now. Ask them if nobody could have stepped to Baby and go like them want diss him. Right. How him used to dress and how him used to go on. Ask them what happened to nobody who diss Baby publicly. But as me say, I accept, it's my dinosaur. Right. So we can just go that way there, right, and me go over here so. And everybody can be happy. Right, and as him say, live and let live. Right. But don't come over with for me there still enough. Right. Just stay over with for one of them. Right, and do funny thing with lipstick on, the skirt, the body rider. Right. Do anything over there so. Same one ever, because of the mind say, sure, people have a right, you need to respect them right. Okay, sure, well, respect my right if you don't want, if you have nothing to do with none of that. Right. I don't want none of that around me or nobody around me. Right. You can choose to hang out with 100 people, 100 males, in a them lipstick, sure. Right. Only can post on the filters them. Sure, free to do that. But accept my right. Right. If you don't want, if you don't know, you don't know. So, me accept your right and you accept mine. Everybody win. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know. More life. Vulture squad. Stay circling. Bless.